The smell of burning paper. That is how I discovered my sister had betrayed me. But this story is not about my sister. It is about my wife, Lee May. I signed the divorce papers on Monday. On Friday, her funeral was on every news channel. And I learned she had been hiding the cancer from me. How could she do that? Why did she not tell me? I thought I knew everything about her. But I was wrong. I was so wrong. Now I am standing in our empty hotel suite. The room is cold. The curtains are white and moving in the wind. I can still smell her perfume. Jasmine. It is everywhere. But she is gone. And I am the one who pushed her away. I remember our last fight. She was crying. I was shouting. I said terrible things. I called her a liar. I said she never loved me. Now I know the truth. She was not lying. She was protecting me. But it is too late. Too late for apologies. Too late for love. My name is David Chen. I am a businessman. I own a small hotel chain. My wife, Lee May, was a teacher. We were married for 5 years. But last month, everything changed. I found a letter in her drawer. It was from a man. The letter said, "I miss you. Please come back to me." I was angry. I thought she was cheating on me. I did not ask her about the letter. I just shouted at her. "Who is this man?" I said. She looked at me with tears in her eyes. "It is not what you think," she said. "Please, let me explain." But I did not listen. I packed her bags and told her to leave. She begged me to stay. She said, "I love you, David. Please believe me." But I was too proud. I said, "I never want to see you again." She left the house that night. I did not see her for a week. Then I received the divorce papers. I signed them without reading. I did not care about the details. I just wanted to forget her. But forgetting is not easy. Every day, I thought about her. I missed her cooking. I missed her laugh. I missed the way she held my hand. But I told myself I was right. She was the one who lied. She was the one who broke my heart. I did not know the truth. The truth was coming. And it would destroy me. On Friday morning, I was in my office. My phone rang. It was my sister. She was crying. "David, turn on the news," she said. I turned on the TV. The news was showing a car accident. A woman had died. The car hit a tree on a mountain road. The woman was Lee May. My wife. My ex-wife. I could not breathe. I fell to my knees. The reporter said she was driving alone. She was going to the hospital. The hospital for cancer patients. I did not understand. Why was she going there? Then the reporter said, Li Mei Chen was a cancer patient. She was receiving treatment for 3 months. 3 months. That was when she started acting strange. She was tired all the time. She lost weight. She went to the doctor often. I thought she was seeing another man. But she was seeing a doctor. She was fighting cancer alone. And I was not there for her. I went to the funeral. It was a small ceremony. Her mother was there. She looked at me with hate. You killed her, she said. She did not want to tell you because she knew you would leave. And you did. You left her when she needed you most. I could not say anything. I just cried. I saw the coffin. It was white with flowers. Inside was my wife. The woman I loved. The woman I betrayed. I wanted to open the coffin and hold her. But it was too late. She was gone forever. After the funeral, I went to her apartment. The landlord gave me a box of her things. Inside, I found a diary. I opened it. The first page said, My name is Li Mei. I have cancer. I have 3 months to live. I read more. She wrote about her fear. She wrote about her love for me. She wrote, I cannot tell David. He will worry. He will stop working. He will try to save me. But it is too late. The cancer is everywhere. I want to spend my last days in peace. I want him to remember me as strong, not sick. I cried reading her words. Then I found the letter. The letter from the man. It was from her doctor. The letter said, Dear Li Mei, I am sorry to inform you that the treatment is not working. You have only a few weeks left. Please tell your family. You should not be alone. She was not cheating. She was dying. And I sent her away. I was the villain. I was the one who broke her heart. I was the one who made her last days lonely. She died alone on a mountain road. She was probably going to the hospital for her final treatment. But she never made it. The car hit a tree. The police said she might have fallen asleep. She was weak from the cancer. I killed her. Not with my hands, but with my pride. I will never forgive myself. Now I am standing in our hotel suite. The room where we spent our honeymoon. The room where we promised to love each other forever. I look at the bed. I remember her smile. I remember her touch. I remember everything. And I understand the lesson now. Love is not about being right. Love is about listening. Love is about trusting. If I had listened to her, she would not have died alone. If I had trusted her, I would have been by her side. But I was too proud. I let my anger control me. And I lost everything. To everyone watching this story, please learn from my mistake. When someone you love is in pain, do not push them away. Ask questions. Be patient. Be kind. Because you never know how much time you have. Life is short. And love is fragile. Do not wait until it is too late. Hold your loved ones close. Tell them you love them every day. Because one day, they will be gone. And you will be left with only memories. I hope my story helps you. I hope you never make the same mistake I did. Thank you for listening.